Hello everyone, how to solve 2 of x square plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to 4. We have to find the value of the x which satisfies this equation. Here 2 of x square plus 1 and here also 2 of x square plus 1. In place of 2 of x square plus 1, let us suppose that we put 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to y for our simplification. Now our equation will become y plus 3 divided by y is equal to 4. Now in the next step we multiply both sides by y, we get y times y plus 3 divided by y is equal to 4 times y. Now we have y times y, it become y power 2 plus y times 3 divided by y is equal to 4 of y. Now we have to cancel out this y by this y. No, in the next step we have y square plus 3 is equal to 4 of y. Now in the next step we can write this as y square minus 4 of y plus 3 is equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. We either solve it by quadratic formula or by factorize the middle terms. Now in the next step we have, now we can break down this 4 of y as it is y square minus y minus 3 of y plus 3 is equal to 0, as it doesn't impact on our previous equation. Now we take out y taken out from this term as well as from this term, and we get y times y minus 1. Now we take out minus 3 from this term as well as from this term, we get minus 3 times here remaining y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can take out y minus 1 from this term as well as from this term out, and we get y minus 1 times y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is y minus 1 and second term is y minus 3. Now on equating to 0 we get now on equating to 0 we get y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 3. There are two values, y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 3, but we substitute 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to y. Now in place of y we substitute 2 of x square plus 1 so that we can find the value of the x. Now in the next step we have, now in place of y we put 2 of x square plus 1. Here are two values, y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 3. Now we have 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we have 2 of x square is equal to 1 minus 1. Now we get 2 of x square is equal to 0, but 2 is not is equal to 0. We have x square is equal to 0, and from this we get x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0, which implies the value of the x is equal to 0 from this equation. Now the second value is y is equal to 3. In place of y we substitute 2 of x square plus 1. Now we get 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to 3. Now on subtracting first from both the side we get 2 of x square is equal to 3 minus 1. Now we get 2 of x square is equal to 3 minus 1, it become 2. Now on dividing both side by 2 we get 2 of x square divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2. Now we can cancel out this 2 by this 2 and this 2 by this 2. From this we get x square is equal to 1, which implies x is equal to plus minus square root of 1, and square root of 1 is equal to 1, which implies the value of the x is equal to plus minus 1. Here are two values of x, means that plus 1 either minus 1 from this equation, and from this equation we get the value of the x is equal to 0. Thus the solution set of this equation is solution set is equal to plus 1 minus 1 are 0. In an order way, we can write this as -1, 0 or +1. Now, we verify that it is our solution or not. For x is equal to -1, taking our left hand side, we get 2 of x square plus 1. We get 2 of x square minus 1 square. In place of x, we substitute -1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 times -1 square plus 1 is equal to 4. Here is the right hand side. Now we get 2 times -1 square, it become 1, and 1 times 2 it become 2, plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 times -1 square, it become 1, and 1 times 2 it become 2, plus 1. Now in the next step we have it is equal to 4, it is our right hand side. Now 2 plus 1 it become 3, plus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 it become 3 is equal to 4. Now we have 3 plus this 3 and this 3 cancel out, and it become 1 is equal to 4, and 3 plus 1 it become 4 is equal to 4, which means that x is equal to -1 is our solution of this equation. Now our next step is we check x is equal to +1 is the solution of this equation or not. In place of x, we substitute +1. Now our left hand side will become 2 of 1 square plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 of 1 square plus 1 is equal to, now 2 of 1 square it become 2 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 of 1 square it become 2 plus 1. Now it is equal to 2 plus 1 it become 3 plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 3 plus this 3 and this 3 cancel out, it become 1, and it is equal to 3 plus 1 it become 4 is equal to our right hand side. Our right hand side is also is equal to 4. Thus x is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. Now our next step is x is equal to 0 is our solution or not. To check this, we have, on taking left hand side, we get 2 of x square. In place of x we put 0 square plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 of, in place of x we put 0 square plus 1 is equal to, now 2 times 0 it become 0, 0 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 times 0 it become 0 plus 1. Now it is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 1, and it is equal to 1 plus 3, and it is equal to 4, which is equal to our right hand side. Our right hand side is also is equal to 4. Thus x is equal to 0 is also a solution which is verified. Thus the solution set is equal to +1, -1 and a 0. If you are new here, make sure that you have to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.